Ever wondered how these massive underwater vessels dive and surface with such precision? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of submarine engineering. Think of a submarine like a giant adjustable sponge that can control its buoyancy at will. The secret lies in an ingenious system of ballast tanks and some clever physics. Let me show you how it works. When a submarine is floating on the surface, its ballast tanks are filled with air, making it buoyant enough to stay above water. But here's where it gets interesting. When it's time to dive, these tanks are flooded with seawater through special valves. As the tanks fill up, the submarine becomes heavier than the water around it, and down it goes. But there's more to it than just sinking. Submarines also use trim tanks to maintain the perfect balance. Think of it like a level on your smartphone. These tanks help keep the submarine perfectly horizontal underwater. And just like an elevator operator, the submarine's crew carefully controls the depth using hydroplanes, specialized fins that work like underwater wings. By adjusting their angle, these planes help the submarine glide up or down to exactly where they want to be. Now, what about surfacing? It's basically the diving process in reverse, but with a twist. Compressed air stored in high-pressure tanks is used to blow the water out of the ballast tanks. As the water is pushed out and replaced with air, the submarine becomes more buoyant and begins its journey back to the surface. But here's a cool fact. Submarines don't usually empty all their tanks at once. Instead, they maintain what's called neutral buoyancy when traveling underwater. This means they're neither sinking nor rising. That's just cruising along at their desired depth. It's like being weightless in space, but underwater. The whole system is controlled from the submarine's control room, where skilled operators monitor depth gauges, tank levels, and maintain precise control over these complex operations. Modern submarines even use computers to help manage these systems, ensuring everything works perfectly every time. Safety is also a huge priority. Multiple backup systems and emergency procedures ensure the submarine can surface even if something goes wrong. Think of it as having not just a plan B, but plans C, D, and E too. And here's something that might surprise you. The deeper a submarine goes, the more compressed the air in its tanks becomes, which actually affects its buoyancy. That's why submariners need to constantly adjust their systems to maintain the perfect depth. It's like a sophisticated underwater dance. So next time you see a submarine in action, remember, it's not just a simple matter of sinking and floating. It's an incredible feat of engineering that allows these amazing vessels to navigate the depths with precision and safety. From the complex network of tanks to the skilled crew operating them, every aspect is carefully designed and controlled. And that's how submarines master the art of diving and surfacing.